Hi everybody, my name is Holly Draper and I'm the creator of Shop Draped. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to make these masks. Now we know that there is a shortage of masks in the United States currently, and it's good to not only make masks for your family but also to go ahead and donate these awesome masks to your local healthcare facilities. I know here in Delaware the police force are they're asking people to make cloth masks. So if you have extra time, I know a lot of us do, go ahead and sew extras and donate to people that are on the front lines. Alrighty guys, let's get into the tutorial. So to begin, I am using the So Much More in Store mask tutorial. I am using the large face mask pattern. They say this one is the best for women. So it is a free download and I will actually provide the link down below. So I have already cut out my fabric. I have my Ankara and I also have some lining fabric. This is actually just regular quilting fabric that I had laying around in my room, so I went ahead and cut that out. You're also going to need elastic for the ear part. Right here I have about 6.5 inches cut out right here. I think this is a 4th. I think this is a 4th size elastic. I have to look into that. And I also have my pins. Alright, so to start off, what we're going to do is we are going to sew right here. We're going to sew, bring both sides together. And sew along the perimeter. So I'll show you guys what that looks like. Oh, I also need to mention that this fabric is actually double-sided and it is from my Ankara collection. This is the Esmeralda print. You guys are familiar with my collection. So there is no right or wrong side for this specific print. So that's the awesome part about this. I'm also going to do the same. I think I went in not a 1/2 inch, but I think a 1/4 of an inch. This measuring tape is getting on my nerves. Yeah, you're going. So you want to sew around the rounded side of your face mask, about a 1/2 inch. And I'm going to do the same to my lining right here. So I'm cutting off the excess thread. And here's what it looks like for the lining. So what I'm going to do now is on the right side, I am going to make my marks for where I'm going to put my elastic in. Honestly, I am just going to go along with the guide, or with the pattern. I'm going to follow the pattern, I'm sorry. And just make my marks from there. I'm not even going to use a ruler because I am just that lazy. And I'm going to do the same to the other side. I know, this is so lazy. It is so lazy. And you could use a pencil just to make little guide marks if you don't have chalk. So I'm going to take my 6.5 inches of elastic and I'm going to go ahead and pin them. curve it around and pin it. I'm going to do the same to the other side. Oh, there it is. We're going to curve it around. Yeah. And then pin. And from here, you're just going to back stitch just a few times. Probably about, you could go a ½ inch and just back stitch. We're going to do the same to the other side. So let me get my sew on. So you can kind of start to see how the mask is coming together. Alright, so you're going to leave this like this. And I totally missed the important step before even bringing that together. What you want to do is you want to press, definitely want to press the inside of this on for both of these. So just go ahead and give it a press. And come back. What we're going to do next is we are going to join both right sides together like so. So match the sides up and pin. So as you guys are pinning, you want to mark off 3 inches at the bottom of the mask in which you will actually leave an opening. This opening is going to flip the mask inside out, and at the end we will go back and top stitch over top of this opening to completely close this mask. Alright y'all, my video cut off, but you know what, that's okay, the show will go on. So I have pinned the right sides to my mask. What I'm going to do now is I am going to go in about a ½ inch and sew along the perimeter. Alright, now before turning the mask inside out, I'm first going to clip all the loose threads, and then I am going to cut the corners. And then I'm going to snip around the curve just to give this mask some ease. Alright. So now I'm going to take all my pins out because I was totally about to pull it inside out. I was not paying attention. And what's next is you're going to go ahead and iron out your mask. And when you do, fold in the sides as you iron so you can prep them for the final top stitch. So I am going to them down like this, and I am going to go iron my mask, and I will come back to you guys. Alright, you guys, I have ironed my mask, as you can see, and we still have this little opening right here. So what we are going to do to secure it is we're going to do a top stitch, and we're going to top stitch about a 1/2 inch in and take it around the whole mask, and you'll be done. Alrighty, let's get it. So this is the final product. Oh. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching my tutorial. Just a few takeaways. I totally suggest everyone to use the extra large pattern rather than the large pattern. One thing that I found is that using the large pattern, even though it was suggested that women use it, my chin isn't covered, and the CDC does suggest that your nose, mouth, and chin be covered with your face mask. Alright, thank you guys again for watching. If you guys liked this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel. If you guys are interested in purchasing our bag of scraps, which is just leftover material from our head wraps and clothing, the link is down in the description bar below. We also will be sewing up sewing up masks. If anybody's interested. The link for our mask will be down below again. Alrighty, see you guys in the next one. Bye!